What's up guys, welcome back with another awesome Android app review. Everyone enjoys making videos on their mobile devices. These days, phone cameras are so good that you can shoot a whole short film on a mobile, and people do. Whether you want to make a cinematic masterpiece or just spice up a home video, the free FilmoraGo app is great for applying effects with ease. Cropping and editing footage is very easy with this powerful software. Yes, today I will review FilmoraGo, a pretty powerful video editor application which will not stamp a watermark or place a time limit on your clip. With FilmoraGo, making video with music and effects, FilmoraGo helps you to make funny videos and relive your memories anywhere. And your amazing video could be easily shared to your friends on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Let's start the video. FilmoraGo is a comprehensive video editing app which allows you to create brilliant compositions using any clip from your device's memory. Of course, besides video, you can also add photos to your projects. The main strength of FilmoraGo is how easy it is to work with. On each side of the screen, you have all the tools you could need, such as editing transition, inserting music tracks, applying visual theme, and more. In the middle of the screen, you can see the project preview, and at the bottom are your time controls. Import videos and photos from your phone and instantly start editing them in all kind of ways. Trim, delete, duplicate, mute, rotate, and edit your videos just about any way you want. Reverse your video, speed up time, create slow motion effects, and pick all kinds of transition effects like whip and dissolve. Create titles with different font styles, sizes, and colors and add them to different parts of your video. You can even add stills and motion graphics to give your video that professional look. Preview everything in real time, pick different themes and filters, add effects, pick a music from FilmoraGo selection of songs or your own audio library, and turn your video into a dynamic and fun to watch video. Finally, export your creations in HD directly into your library. And don't worry, FilmoraGo won't add a watermark or set time limits for your clips. FilmoraGo gives you total freedom and doesn't hold anything back from you. Create amazing and professional looking videos with FilmoraGo, free video editor, the simplest and most intuitive video editing tools on the Play Store. So guys, this was the best video editing app review on my list, and you will definitely like this. If this video is helpful for you, please give a like on this video and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our upcoming videos. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.